So as you can see, currently I'm on my iPhone file app, and here we can see a RAR file. Now if I try to open this RAR file, as you can see, the file is opened but no files are showing up. So to open a RAR file, we have to extract the RAR file. And here's how to easily extract or open RAR file in offline on iPhone. First of all, make sure you have installed the Shortcut app. If you don't have Shortcut, then go to your App Store and search for Shortcut. Then all you have to need, install these free Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, just open the Shortcut app on your iPhone, and now we have to create a new shortcuts here. So just tap on this plus icon from this shortcuts tab. Just tap on this plus icon. Okay, once you are in this shortcuts tab, just tap on this plus icon at the top right corner, and here tap on search actions, and here type select file, and you have to add select file. Now tap on this arrow icon, and if you want, you can enable select multiple option, and again tap on search actions, and now type here extract and select extract archive. Now again tap on the search actions box, and in this time we have to type here save file and select save file. Now just tap on this shortcut name at the top and tap on rename, and I'm typing here open RAR file, and then tap on done, and here we can see the shortcut successfully created. Now let's extract RAR file using this shortcut. So all you have to need, open Shortcut app and then just tap on open RAR file, and now all you have to need, from your iPhone file manager, select the RAR file and tap on open, and now select a folder in which folder you want to extract or open the RAR file. I'm selecting this Chrome folder. I'm selecting this Safari download folder and tapping on open, and now I'm going to my files app and then just going to Safari download folder, and in this folder here, as you can see, the RAR file successfully extracted. Now I can open RAR files from here. So this is how we can easily extract RAR file in iPhone in offline.